Is Richmond Harbour Hotel the best hotel in Richmond? Well, today I'm reviewing the rooms, the food and the breakfast. So, if you like luxury hotels, come with me. Good morning, and we have made it to Richmond, an affluent residential district bordering the River Thames, known for Kew Gardens, Kew Palace, and where you can see herds of deer roam around Richmond Park. Richmond is known to be stylish, upscale and super luxury, so let's check out the rooms of the Richmond Harbour Hotel and see if it lives up to that name. Okay, so here we are at the room, and this is the big reveal. I have checked it out previously just to have a little look and put my stuff down, and I was really impressed with how this looks. Really nice carpet. Love this sofa area over here. Very, very nice. This is the desk area. Just ignore my water bottle sitting there, but here's the TV. And as we go over here, really comfy looking chair. I love the way the lamp goes over that. And we've got this sofa area with these very nice cushions. The bed looks really, really beautiful as well. Very beautifully presented, well-appointed bed. And just check this out. It's got these really, really nice cushions. Lovely. Look, it's got one of these old-fashioned looking phones. You know, it hasn't got the rotary thing, but it kind of looks like that. I'm glad we don't have to dial it as we did in the old days. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom then, and this is a very nicely done bathroom. It's not too over the top, but it still does feel luxury. I love the double sinks. That's always a really nice touch, and these sinks look very modern and the taps look very nice. I haven't seen these toiletries before, Bramley, so I'm looking forward to trying those out and seeing what those are like. And just have a look at this. We've got cotton pads. I didn't need to bring my own. I can't believe it. I don't normally see this in hotels. So they've got, oh my gosh, they've got the little cotton buds. Do you remember those? So cute and a very nice touch in this glass jar. I love how they folded the flannels as well. So let's look at this shower area then. There is a sloping ceiling, which I'm not a big fan of. I don't know whether you can see that, but the ceiling slopes. So you could bang your head if you're not too careful. So that's not great. So more of the Bramley cosmetics there. You have a rainfall shower and a kind of marble tile on the bathroom. All looking very nice. Quite a small shower, but does the job. We were told that they provide you with free gin in the room, and this is it. Oh, and look at the stag head on the bottle. This is really, really nice. I love the way that that looks. So yeah, we've got some free gin in the room. Let's see if we've got some ice. No, there's no ice. I guess we have to request some. But yeah, this is the room. This is what it looks like. And I think it's very cozy, very British looking. Love it. So let's look at some of the details of the room then. So we've got this clock radio and we have some books here. Tequila Mockingbird. Oh, they got Brothers Grimm there. I like that. That's a nice touch. Do you guys read when you're away? I love reading when I'm away. Oh, I love these clock radios as well. I love the way these look. Very retro, very cool. You've got your box of tissues here, your remote. And what's this? Gone for a walk in the park. Okay, so instead of do not disturb, we've got sleeping like a log, please do not disturb, gone for a walk in the park. How cute is that? I do like that. Here's the room service menu. I don't think we'll be ordering room service because we're going to go downstairs in a minute and get some dinner, but it's good to know that it's there. Here is the TV, which is kind of positioned to the left of the sofa. Oh, let's see what's in this cupboard then. Looks like it's the mini bar, so lots of drinks in there, but I am disappointed there's no champagne. We've got some Coke there. Yeah, but not many drinks in there, I have to say. Is this bit free? Because it's sort of not, well, I guess they didn't want to put it in the fridge. It looks like you may have to pay for it. What is this? Never seen this drink before. Comment below if you have seen or tried this drink. And then we've got some awfully posh peanuts. Look at this, honey and chili peanuts. Those look really, really nice. Has anyone tried those? And these are simply salted, awfully posh peanuts. Lovely. And we've got some crisps here that say never sold in supermarkets. So that would explain why I've never seen those crisps. I may try that a bit later. The normal biscuits that you get and an espresso machine. I always say never trust a hotel that doesn't have an espresso machine. That one looks a little bit dusty though. We've got here a glass kettle, which is nice. And what do we have down here? We've got a hairdryer and a safe. So we decided to go for a late lunch, early dinner, and I got this salmon with this sauce, which was really delicious. Fish and chips with mushy peas, a classic, and some Prosecco. Cheers, guys. I'm so excited right now. They actually have vegan dessert and I'm getting a chocolate torte with raspberry sorbet. My partner's gone for a vanilla cheesecake. Both of these desserts were absolutely delicious and I was just so excited that I can have this pretty vegan dessert. That meal was really good. It tasted delicious. It was well cooked, great service. Lots of places to eat around Richmond, incidentally, but I do recommend this place. You guys saw how beautiful it looked when we arrived, right? Well, this is British weather. Look at it now. It is absolutely pouring down with rain, which is a real shame because I would have liked to have sat outside, but it is bucketing down. I had the absolute best sleep. That mattress was so comfortable. That bed was so comfortable. We're on our way to breakfast now. So this is the continental that's on offer and it is a very big spread. There's loads and loads of things to choose from. Freshly baked pastries, my favorite. There's granola here. I think they've even got, look, chia seed pudding, which is quite unusual. So yeah, very fancy breakfast and lots of variety. So I am gonna dig in. This is the first part of my breakfast. I always go for 2 courses at breakfast time. It literally is my favorite meal of the day. And this is what the actual surroundings look like. The room is absolutely stunning. I've got my cappuccino. I am very happy. I wanted you to have a real overview of what it looks like at breakfast because I think that the decor here is just stunning. It's just so tastefully done and it's just the right mix of luxury and homey. Look at how the glass ceiling looks. It lets in so much light. I love this hot air balloon in the air and the chandelier. It's just the right settings for breakfast. Yes, my cooked breakfast has arrived and I always go for this Eggs Benedict. Now let's see if it runs out or it's not oozing out, but I'm actually happy with how that egg is cooked. This breakfast looks delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. don't want to leave. I had such a good time here at the Richmond Harbour Hotel. Would I recommend it? Yes. It's comfortable, it's stylish, the food is good. There's actually a spa here as well, which I will check out the next time I come. I literally was too tired this time around, but overall, great stay, and I do recommend it. We decided to spend the rest of the afternoon at Richmond Park, and I was so excited to see all this deer. My partner was like, do not get too close to the deer. He was worried for me, but I guess I've seen Bambi too many times and I was just enamored with them. What a beautiful end to a beautiful weekend, and the sun has finally come out, the rain has gone, and we are enjoying all this sunshine and having a walk in Richmond Park. If you've enjoyed this review, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I check out places in and around the city so you don't have to waste your time and money on bad places. So if you're interested in more recommendations, please do hit subscribe. I release videos every Friday. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.